Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my journey to pay off 6 figures of overall debt, including my house. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. We're going to be counting some money. So today is the August 30th paycheck budget. I think we should have $201 here. So I've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 175, 80, 5, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 201. So I hope everyone is doing well today and this weather doesn't have you down. You know, weather, that crazy wildfire in Maui, any of the other craziness that's going on in the world. I should really start with the ones, y'all. I'm terrible at estimating how far back this needs to go. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, because I always forget to do it, is go through my change. I don't know for sure that I have any to get rid of. I have used my cash envelopes, but I don't know that I've gotten very much in the way of change. Obviously not. So, nickel. Look, I got a penny. But, hey, it's something. So we're just gonna toss that penny in there. A penny saved is a penny earned, right? Get the lid back on it. There we go. Now that that's out of the way, let's start with the stuff that goes in my wallet. We don't have anything for clothing. Eat out is gonna get $12. I had made a mistake in my account and thought I needed to send money back to the bank, but I didn't. I have 20, 40, 55, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had no idea there was that much money in here. I was just talking to Eric yesterday about how happy I was that we budget this way because groceries is our next one. Because this money is sitting here and we always have more money than we think we have, you know, which is nice. We're gonna put in $10 to bring the cash envelope to 50, which is where we like to keep it, if we can. So I've got 20, 40, and 50. And that is so that if we need to stop somewhere, we can. What in the world? I must have dragged something on that one. Joint miscellaneous is going to get $8. And this is actually where that penny came from, I think. So we should have $37. 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, for the white binder, we have, I need the black binder. Give me just a moment. See, y'all, I tripped myself up because I write it down when I'm in a hurry as Litter Robot, and my L's are in the white binder, but in the actual front, it says automatic litter box. So it's in with the A's. Okay. I will eventually get my stuff together, you guys. Okay, so we've got the Litter Robot, and it's gonna get $16. Okay, 6 makes that $293, so we're looking at $303. Okay, so we've got 100, 50, 200, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, 1, 2, and 3. So we're getting there, you guys. We get the color in that last one. Okay. Not quite halfway there, but we're getting there. After the Litter Robot, we do need to go to the white binder. And we're looking for lawn. We need $25. Luckily, we're not having to pay anybody right now to mow the yard. So this one is just gonna build up, and I'm cool with that because who knows what the gas prices are gonna get to. Okay, so we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we do need to get some gas for the mowers, or mower, sorry, the mower, but that'll come out of here. But otherwise, we shouldn't be spending too much, and we might be able to use that toward getting the garden going for next year. So there's that. Unless we can plant one in the fall, but I don't know how that works. If you know how that works, drop me a comment. Okay, so we have $35 going toward the debt snowball. So we've got 1, 2, 50, 70, 90, 3, 10, 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, and 3. So $343 coming off of the debt. We did awesome this month. So actually, this is going to go to the bank. And we are not going to be adding anything else to this. So I'm going to go ahead to bank and zero that out. And this is what I do when I put money in my to the bank envelope. We'll just put that on there, and that way when I do make the deposit at the bank, I have my post-it note to tell me where the money goes, and it's not just some random number that's going into the bank. Okay, you guys, we did excellent in the month of August. I'm so proud. That's everything for this binder. What is left is our saving challenge money, which will likely be my next video. I don't know, I might do the condensing first and break this down because I obviously did not think that through. Okay, so we've got 50, 70, 90, 5. So $95. So excited, you guys. This should be fun. Okay, I will talk to you all at that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I'll see you next time. Bye.